Hi, today I'll be showing you a demo on an open source change data capture tool called Debezium that sits on top of Apache Kafka Connect. This setup is suitable in use cases whereby organization will want to perform a unidirectional change data capture pipeline between the source and target, which are both residing on a database. In this architecture, we'll be looking at Apache Kafka, a Kafka Connect, and also MySQL as the source and also the target database. The setup consists of a few containers. We'll be running Zookeeper, Kafka, Kafka Connect, a MySQL DB, and another component called Kafka UI to monitor the topics. In the MySQL database, we created a source DB and also a target DB. So in the source DB, let's create some table, supplier table, and let's insert some data. And you have some data in both the tables. Okay. We will be using Postman to interface with Kafka Connect REST APIs. The first thing we want to do is to load, or what we call to create, the source DB connector. The source DB connector utilizes the Debezium connector for MySQL. We have to input the database information and most importantly, which database to monitor for the changes. Here we specify is a source DB. So we just click send and okay, yep, and the connector is already created. We can also do something like get the existing connectors, yeah, which is one, and also view the configuration of the connector. Once we have created the source connector, you will be able to see the topics that has already been created in Kafka. We have two tables and there is a loaded message 2 and 3. Using Postman, we'll be creating the target sync connector. The target sync connector will be utilizing the connector Debezium JDBC sync connector. So here we have to give the information like connection, the JDBC connection URL. Importantly, the insert mode which we are using is upsert, update else insert. The primary key mode is record key, and then which topics are we monitoring? Anything that starts with source db underscore. And the table that we're gonna create in the target, because we have auto create here, so it will follow the prefix of tgt underscore topics. So after we run it, we should be able to see in the target database. Yep, two target table has been created, and Okay, so Debezium have done the first full load. We are gonna simulate an update. As of now, when we refresh the Kafka UI, you will still see there's 3 record in customer and 2 record in supplier. So I'm gonna update uh, customer and supplier. Yes, and we will see that there are 4 messages in the Kafka topic. We'll be able to notice that Debezium has already updated the target table. Hojukang to no, and both the supplier to yes. Mm. So this is the end of the demo. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye.